Good afternoon. So, our topic is scanner, if else, and arrays. So, dito sa scanner. Ang scanner, muna siya ang nakascan sa atong mga data types. Kung wala din si scanner, dili mo ra ng atong mga gipang input, di ba? So, let's try to remove the scanner. Mali. Remove natin yung scanner. Diba wala? Hindi na mukhang si scanner kung mawala siya sa internet. Mali. Okay, siya. Kaya si scanner, ang gamitan niya, muna siya ang scan with sa mga data type para ma-run. Try na to ba? So, muna na ito ang scanner. Kalitanan si scanner ang nagbuhat ana. Let's go for the array. Array is a group of same data types. So this is the arrays, yan, and this is the index. So index 0, index 1, index 2. So inside the bracket, it was called an index. So ganun naman po nasa gawas, kaning God will be the center of it. Good things come to my family. I wish I have full of happiness. Ang tawag ana is a string value. So let's try. Magawas ko siya. Oh, see? Diba, nag-grouping sila. So, 3 wishes you want. I wish I have full of happiness in life. Great things comes from my hands, families. So, muna ang atong arrays. Okay, the if statement is the decision-making statement that guides a program to make decisions based on its specified criteria. So, this is the condition, and this will be the statement that will be executed. We have 4 if-else statements. So let's try. It will be true. So your name is Tiana. You're 21 years old. Your generation is Gen Z. You have a personality introverts. Yeah, that's true. So this is the statement that been executed.
Hello, by the way, my name is Michilu Bakala. So now my topic is switch statement. Switch statement is to use execute different cases based on equality. So in this program, nag-start me og write sa system.out.print, and then the statement is you have a nice personality and then semicolon. Can you see you have a nice personality is already printed? It's because we use system.out.print. Next, the variable of char is characteristic is equal to the value of A. And then semicolon. The variable of int is personality is equal to the value of 2. So first of all, we use the switch keyword, and after that, in parentheses, we'll put the variable, which is personality, followed by the curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we put cases. So we use the case keyword, followed by 1, then a regular colon, not a semicolon. Case A, regular colon, and after that, put some statement, which is the statement is system.out.print line break, and then semicolon, and add something called break. Break means if this is true in personality is equal to case 1, then we have no reason to go to the rest of the program, so you just exit. So what happened over here? We are testing if personality is equal to case 1. If this personality is equal to case 1, this statement will be executed. And of course, you can put many cases as you want. Alright? What's important over here that you are testing for equality. We are testing for the variable, which is the personality. We are testing if personality is equal to case 1, or in case 2, or in case 3. Alright. In a little bit, you can see how square are exactly. As you can see here, sa integers, ang gipangitan ni personality is a value of 2. So, let's try to run. As you can see here, naka-print na siya daan. See, you have a nice personality. And, nara ang value na gipangita ni personality. Introverse.
Hello, so my topic is for loop. For loop is an entry control loop that facilitates a user to execute a blocks of a statement iteratively for a fixed number of times. So in for loop, we use a pyramid. So let's start with system.out.println, then semicolon. System.out.print enter your favorite numbers, and then semicolon. Can you see enter your favorite numbers is already printed na sa runner? It's because we use system.out.print. Then, and number of stars is equal input that next and close and open parentheses and then semicolon. Then we use a for keyword. Inside this open parentheses, we have 3 parts. Let's call the first part is variable, which is nashai and I is equal to 1, and then semicolon. And the second one is condition, which is the I right angle is equal number of stars, then semicolon. And the final one is change, which is the I plus plus. Nashai plus plus, it's because we use the increment operator. And then add a curly braces. And now, let's explain each of these parts. As you can see, they're separated by a semicolon. The first part is variable. So this part is related to variable, that what to use to inside the for loop. And now, the second part is the condition. And this is simply the condition of our loop. As long as this condition is true, our loop is continue execute. And finally, we have the change, which is naashay plus plus. It's because nagamit ta og increment operator. This will contain what we want to do after executing the value for the loop. And this is our statement, which is the system.out.print and then the shapes of star, then semicolon. For example, if you enter your favorite numbers, 5, and the star is count by 1 to 5 na naka-pyramid style. So, let's try to run. As you can see, I enter a number of 5 and then the star is count by 1 to 5 na naka-pyramid style.
Hello, my topic today is about while loop and do while loop. A while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. The while loop can be thought of as a repeating of statement. A do while loop is a control flow statement that executes a block of code at least once and then either repeatedly execute the block or stop executing it depending on a given Boolean condition at the end of the block. Hello, my topic today is about while loop and do while loop. Ang while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. The while loop can be thought of as a repeating of statement. Do while loop is a control flow statement that executes a block of code at least once and then either repeatedly execute the block or stop executing it depending on a given Boolean condition at the end of the block. Mao na din siya ang result. Nagbalik-balik ra siya,
Akong topic is Java break and Java continue. Gagamiton nato si Java break sa looping para example maghatag kag breakpoint. Like this. Int buot pasabot integers, then maggamit tag object nga stars equal to 0. It means atong code magsugod og iap sa 0. Do, then curly brackets. Sa ubos sa among loop na ami gigamit nga if statement. If star is equal to 3, automatic na mag-break ang program, then curly brackets. Close sa program na ay SOP. It means apil lang SOP sa among loop na ang buhaton is i-print ang value ni stars. Try nato run. Nag-count siya sugod sa 0 to 2. Wala na siya ni about kay 3. It means maura ni ang value ni stars kay nagbutang man mi og if statement then break. Taman ra jud siya kay 2 kay na-achieve na niya ang gihatag namo nga statement na star is equal to 3 na ang value jud ni stars kay 0 to 10. Si stars naa siya value nga 10 pero naghatag man mi og if statement na star is equal to 3 mao nang nag-stop siya kay 2. Java continue. Halos same ra sila ni break pero sa function sila medyo lahi. Gagamiton pod si continue sa looping. Example, int stars equals 0 semicolon, do then curly brackets. If stars equal to 3 then curly brackets again. Instead of break, continue akong gamiton. Sa ubos na ay SOP, then run the program. Makita nato nag-start siya from 0 to 6. Kung tan-awon natog ayo wala si 3, ngano? Kaysa continue ang mahitabuan na kay example katong sa break nag-stop atong mismong program ug wala na mag-process. Wala na niya gipadayon pang ubang value nga naa sa value sa atong object. Sa continue lahi isgutan niya tanan except sa statement na atong gihatag which is si 3. Mao nang wala si 3. That's it, sir. Thank you.